beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonakshi and in this video I am going to talk about shirts, simple shirts. I'm sure you all have them in your wardrobe but always end up wearing them the same way. So don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how you can style your shirts in different ways. But before starting with this video, like the video if you like it, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get on to the video. For this look, I am wearing this pink shirt and tying a front knot, wearing these square shaped earrings. Now, you can take a denim jacket to add to the look, tie it at your waist or wear it above your shirt. For sleepers, I am wearing these silver sleepers. This look is very simple yet looks different from just wearing shirts normally. I have this white shirt which I like, but to add new touch to it, I am taking this blue shirt with white stripes. Now wear it, take another part like you can see in the video and start buttoning. Now take the left out sleeve and spread it before passing it inside. Fold sleeves to add to the look. I have tied my hair in half pony and I am wearing these black heels. I am wearing the same earrings from the previous look. You can wear this look to give confident and bossy vibes, and here's the complete look. I have this red black shirt in checks which looks kinda cute. To change its vibe to something different, I am adding this sheer red top inside. Now to make it more visible, you need to fold the collar of the shirt like I did to make a V-shaped neckline. I am wearing little triangle shaped studs and adding these golden wedges. For this look, I opened my hair as adding this sheer top added length to the shirt and also changed the cute vibe to party vibe. So here's the complete look. I'm sure you all have black shirt in your wardrobe like mine, as it's a statement piece in itself but still want to wear it differently. So for that I'm wearing this leopard print shirt and layering the black shirt on it. Now make sure to button all the buttons of the inside shirt and leave some of the buttons of the upper shirt like you can see in the video. Now I'm folding the sleeves of the black shirt to make printed shirt visible as it adds to the look. I'm wearing these silver heels and loops. So here's the complete look just by adding another shirt inside. Simple black shirt change into new one. Like the video if you like it, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and do share it with your friends and family.